So I set up my computer in my shipping building here. This is for shipping and also for CAD CAM. I got a little space here now. But I've been having problems with sciatica, back problems, and a lot of people have been talking about using a standing desk, this kind of thing. So I've decided to try that out. I'm going to move my computer over onto the shipping bench over here. One of the problems that I tried this before, and the problem I had before was it was kind of too low. I'd be down like this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to move the computer over here and build some kind of box or something to elevate it, to bring it up to about this height. Of course, another reason for doing this, other than for the back, is to increase productivity, to basically not waste as much time on the computer. Because if you're standing up, you're more likely to finish what you're doing and not get caught in endless YouTube videos and other things. So the question is how it's going to be with doing Fusion 360, CAD CAM kind of stuff. So that's one thing I'm gonna have to figure out. So all right, well, now I just need to get some kind of box or something. I'm sure they probably sell something, but I don't know, it might be easier just to quicker just to make something, so to my height. Okay, well, I went to Home Depot thinking I was gonna make something for this, and then I was in the I don't know, the plumbing section, the kitchen section, and I found this over here, so I thought I'd give this a try. The only thing I have to do is figure out how to prop it up high. I got a couple of banker's boxes to put it under temporarily, but I'm thinking maybe I can put some kind of drawers or something. I don't know if I can buy like a shallow drawer compartment or make something, so I just have to figure out how to scoot this under. I think I'm just gonna move this stuff over here, this stuff here out of the way, and just kind of slide it in and then put stuff on and then pick it up and put the cardboard box under. So okay, well, for some reason I thought there were two banker's boxes in that package, but there's only one. So I stuck it in the middle, and it's actually relatively stable. I don't know, I'll see if that's enough for now, temporarily, until I figure out what to really put under here. But I don't know, this seems to be working out pretty good here. Underneath here I can just stick stuff like paper for the printer, so I don't have to go looking for it, toner, printing labels for the different printers here, and it feels like it's a hair high for me. You probably go down maybe another half an inch to an inch or something, but I'll have to kind of play with that. But anyways, yeah, that seems to work out pretty good.